Hello, welcome to our class, our SDS Tooth Center, where we teach you how to calculate student results using Microsoft Excel. So my name is Raphael Chukwu. In our previous video, we were able to calculate the total score for these three students, Peter, Paul, and Ada. We have the three subjects, English, Maths, and the Igbo, and these are the scores. So we're able to calculate the total score for these three students. So today we're going to try to calculate the average, and statistically, average is the total score divided by the number of subjects. So in this situation, we have three subjects, so it should be 190 divided by 3, and here 190 is represented by column I and row 3, as you can see. So that should be 190, here should be I3. So let us start off. You start by entering equal sign, like I told you before. In our last video, we taught you how to calculate total score. We taught you also that you start your calculation in Excel using the equal sign. So equal sign, I3 here is the total score for Peter. Division, use this last sign for division, that's the division operator, divided by 3. So you hit the return key or the enter button. So you can see the average here is 63.3. So you put your pointer at this dark area and then you drag. You've been able to see the result for Peter and Ada. 63.3 for Peter, 44.7 for Paul, and 82.7 for Ada. So this is simple, pretty simple if you pay attention. Or if you're confused on how we got the total score, check out our previous video on this. You'll be able to learn how we calculated the total score, and then you will flow smoothly on how we calculate that. In our next video, we're going to show you how we're going to get the grade for these three students, to know their grade, whether they made A or B or C, pass, fail. So thank you. So please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will follow up our next videos, and then I will be able to learn on SDS Tooth Center. Thank you and have a nice time. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a nice time.